Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we'll help you out by showing you how to grow wheat in Minecraft. So this is actually a fairly important step to your base because it's required if you want to have cows or sheep. And it can be a little bit tricky if you're a newer player. What you want to do first is you want to have at least a water bucket and a hoe in your inventory, and then you want to cut some grass to get some wheat seeds. I know I already have some, but I'll just show it off. There we go, here's a couple. Then what you want to do is make your wheat farm. You can make this as big or as small as you want. I'll just do 5 by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. Then what you want to do is place some water somewhat in the middle. This is not going to be symmetrical, but I don't really care. Just like that. Then you can place your wheat seeds around it if you are quick enough with your hoe. Just like that, place it around it. You can cover up this water with trapdoors as well if that's what you like. You can even make it like one block of water. It doesn't really matter. As long as the wheat is close to the water, it will grow quickly. And as you can see, you can use bone meal as well to grow it. I already have enough wheat, to be honest, but you can do that as well. This is the color you're looking for. If you harvest this, as you can see, it'll drop wheat and some more wheat seeds. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.